everyone, I'm glad you are here today. Whether you are a seasoned sewer or you are just starting or you are still thinking about getting into sewing, I'm thrilled to have you here today. A warm welcome to you. My name is EJ. This channel, Sewright Fashions, we are here to create and transform fabric into a fashion statement. You can create awesome things every day. A warm welcome to you. My name is EJ. Home decor, create crafting, there is everything for each and every one of you in this channel. Sewing is not just a skill, it's a way of expressing yourself, your creativity, and to show who you are from the inside. From basic sewing techniques to bigger projects, we are here to inspire and to learn and to share what we know as a community. This channel, you will expect sewing tips and hacks, creative projects, big and small. This channel is not all about tutorials. It's actually community focused. So I encourage you to join this community and share your tips and ideas. Feel free to ask any questions, and remember as well, you can join our Facebook group, Sewright Fashions, Inspirations and Sewing Tips, where you can share your pictures of your projects of what you have done. The link is down below to join the sewing group. Let's celebrate the love of sewing. We love sewing. Let's celebrate, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, join and subscribe to this channel. If you've already done so, please turn on the notification bell so that you'll never ever miss anything which I'll be sharing on this channel. Thank you for stopping by to this channel and to be part of this creative journey, to see what you're going to make together in this journey which we are embarking today. For now, let's dive into our fabrics and turn our dreams into reality. See it, love it, and make it.